In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit sent email in Outlook. If you've ever hit send and immediately spotted a mistake or a missing attachment, don't worry, Outlook lets you recall the original and send a corrected version. I'll show the classic desktop steps first, then where to find it in the new Outlook and the web app. Start by opening your Sent Items folder and double-clicking the message you want to fix. Double-clicking opens the email in its own window so you have the right controls available. With the message open, go to File, choose Info, select Resend or Recall, then recall this message. When the recall window appears, select Delete unread copies and replace with a new message. If you'd like status updates, check Tell me if recall succeeds or fails for each recipient, then click OK. Outlook will reopen your original message for editing. Make the changes you need, update the subject line for clarity, fix the body text, and add or remove attachments as required. When you're satisfied, click Send. Outlook will attempt to replace the original for recipients who haven't opened it yet. If you turned on notifications, you'll receive a message letting you know whether the recall succeeded for each recipient. If you're using the new Outlook or the Outlook web app, the flow is similar. Go to Sent Items, select the email, click the three dots to open more actions, then choose Recall or Resend. A draft based on your original will open. Make your edits right there, then resend to push out the corrected version. A quick note on expectations so you know what to look for. Message recall works best when recipients are using Outlook in the same organization and haven't read the email yet. If someone already opened the original, that copy can't be replaced, but anyone who hasn't read it will receive your updated version. The notification option helps you see which recipients were successfully updated. Also, if you change attachments, double-check that the correct files are attached before you resend, since the recall only replaces what you include in the edited message. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.